So I've done the extra hook in our little pot hanger. We've got our Y stick, the pot hanger, we've got a couple of tent pegs, and we've got our main pole. So we're all ready to go. So let's go and set them up. Well, there we go, all set up over the fire pit, kettle's on, water's going, and I'm about ready for a coffee. I think it needs lowering down a bit though, and that's how easy it is. Maybe take it to the last one. Just got to make sure the bird's beak's in the notch and it won't go anywhere. How's that? So I hope you've enjoyed it. I hope you've learnt something, or if you haven't, it doesn't matter. If you could click the like button, the subscribe buttons, do all the usual stuff, I'd be appreciated. And if you want me to do anything in particular, like I said before, let me know. And I'll just keep on doing what I'm doing, and I hope you enjoy it. As you can see, that's the mesh fire pit from the other night. I thought I'd get that out for a change, just to show how easy it is to be transportable. Make one of these sets up and cook your dinner over the fire without bringing anything else with you. So I'm going to go and have a coffee as soon as this gets a boil on, and it's nice and warm now. So take care, may God be with you.